Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with a new opportunity on Solana chain. A new meme coin with a great potential and a free airdrop. Yes guys, you heard me right, free airdrop. So stay tuned with me and I will show you all what you would like to know about this meme coin and step by step on how to participate in the airdrop, the free airdrop guys. So first, let's talk about this stunning professional website. It has all the information you would like to know about this token. So let's first see here the date of the launch of this meme coin. Is gonna be on May 25, 8 p.m. Eastern time. So you still have 9 days, 12 hours, and 21 minutes. Let's scroll down and you can see here why invest. The first meme coin that captured the fun and charm of our favorite digital dog with rice, has zero tax, lack liquidity, and a renounced contract, making it completely decentralized. You scroll down here guys and you can see here the tokenomics. 9% acquisition fund, 20% marketing, 8% social donation, 14% for the team, and 49% for decentralized and centralized exchange. If you go back here to the white paper here, if you click on this one, it's gonna go here to the white paper, and this giving you additional information about the token and all what you like to know about this token, the release date, the contract address, and their Twitter, their Telegram. You can see here their Twitter, they have 192 followers already. And put in your mind guys, this is a new project and it still have 9 days to launch, so it will grow fast with new members and new followers. So by watching this video, you're gonna be the first to see all the information and participate in this project and get the free airdrops. And their Telegram here, you can see here they have 212 members already, or subscribers. And as I told you, you still new, so you will get more airdrops like this because you're gonna be the first to participate in the airdrops. Let's scroll down here and look at the roadmap. You can see here the pre-release and phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. It has all the information you would like to know. Let's go back to the website and I'm gonna show you guys how you can get free airdrops step by step. First guys, this video is for entertainment and information only. So do your own research before participating in any project. As you know guys, meme coins are high risk, high reward. So before participating in any project, do your own research. So to participate in the free airdrops, all what you need to do is click on this link right here. The first step you have to do, let's copy this because you're gonna need the hashtag here. Okay, let's go. Copy this. You're gonna click on go to X. Paste the hashtag here. And you can write down here wherever you want. I just gonna write down, let's fly together. And you click on post. And you go back here. The second step you have to do is click on here, repost, and like, and copy this link. I'm gonna tell you why you're gonna need this link for. You go back here and you register your Solana wallet to get the airdrop. So I'm gonna show you how you're gonna register your Solana wallet. I'm gonna get my wallet. I copy it here. This is my dummy wallet. So go back here to the form. You're gonna put here your wallet, and you're gonna put your ticker. My ticker is crypto grips 11, and this is where you're gonna paste the link. Oh no, okay, let's go, because this is my wallet address. Let's go back to the post. You see here, this one. You're gonna copy this link, go back to the form, and put it here, your email address to get notified for the airdrop. I'm gonna put my address here. Yes, I visited the website. Yes, and submit. That's all what you have to do, guys, to participate in the airdrop and get a free money. It's easy as this. I like this project so far. That's why I like to share it with you guys. This is future opportunity with a free airdrop. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't hesitate to like and subscribe, and see you on my next video.